and Dr. Evil. Okay, go ahead. Alright, cover up your nostrils. Hello, Betty Boo-hoo.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good.
And is this your boyfriend?
Yes.
Who is this?
Dr. Evil. Dr. Evil.
Oh, and you're getting a nice kiss from another boyfriend. And who is this?
Buddy.
Buddy?
I think it might be a dog because I smell dog.
Dr. Evil, are you jealous?
Yes.
Yes? What are you going to do about Buddy?
Send him to jail.
Send him to jail? Betty Boo-hoo? Who are you going to miss more?
Dr. Evil.
Buddy, can you show us your dance, your chin dance?
What?
When you rub your lips together. Go back and forth again. Oh, check out. Na 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 choo, na 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 choo, na 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 choo. Work it, work it.
Well, that looks like Humpty
And then
Dumpty.
here's Dr. Evil.
Please cover your nose. You already have a nose.
Can you show us that tongue? Well, I hear you have a Oh my goodness. Betty Boo-hoo, what's your favorite thing about Dr. Evil?
I don't know. Really nothing. Send you to jail.
Don't you like his pretty tongue?
Yes.
That
is kind of scary.
Can I see your scary tongue? Don't you have a tongue, Betty Boo-hoo?
No.
Oh, that is it. Dr. Evil, aren't you? Who has a bigger tongue? That thing. Ew. What was the last thing you ate? Dr. Evil, what was the last thing you ate?
Dog food.
Dog food. Would that be Buddy's dog food, Betty Boo-hoo? Betty Boo-hoo, are you awake?
Yes.
Were you sleeping?
Yes.
Yes. What were you dreaming about?
Just some things about Dr. Evil, the mean things that he did to me.
Oh, and Dr. Evil, what were some of those mean things? Should we send you to jail?
Send her to jail and turn her into a frog.
Alright, let's give us a round of applause for Dr. Evil and Betty Boo-hoo. And who's the real culprits behind these chins? Mackenzie. Can I see Mackenzie? And
Bryce, Dr. Evil.
let me see Bryce.
Yeah.
Let me see the real Bryce. There he is.
Hi.
And who is this? Who is your other chin? Who is this?
Bob.
Bob. Pew.
No,
Can you give us a kiss?
Here.
Pucker those lips up. Oh, thank you. Oh, good job, guys.
Do I see mine? Do I see mine? Do the scary thing.